How to create a BOI report for your LLC. This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you have formed an LLC in the United States or are planning to, there is an important new requirement you need to know about the BOI report, which stands for Beneficial Ownership Information Report. This report is now required by FINCEN, which is the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, as part of the Corporate Transparency Act to combat money laundering and increase transparency. Almost all LLC formed or registered in the US must file the BOI report unless they qualify for a specific exemption, such as being a large operating company, a publicly traded entity, or a regulated organization like a bank. If you don't file on time, you could face serious penalties up to $500 per day and even criminal charges. Before we continue, if you haven't formed your LLC yet, check out Bizee.com using the link in the description. Bizee helps you form your LLC for free and they guide you through all compliance steps like the BOI report. To file the BOI report, go to the official FinCEN filing website. So once you head over there, the filing process is free and follow this structure. So you're going to start by confirming whether this is a new BOI filing or an update to a previous submission. You'll also specify whether you're filing directly or using a third-party service. And when you head over to reporting company, you'll have to enter your LLC's key details like legal business name, any trade or DBA names, business address, jurisdiction, and EIN. And then you'll be redirected to company applicants page. So this section is only required for your LLC if it was formed on or after January 1st, 2024. You'll need to provide info for the person who filed the LLC formation documents and the person who directed or controlled the filing if different. For each applicant, submit full legal name, date of birth, residential address, their government issued photo ID, and uploaded image of the ID. After that, you'll head over to Beneficial Owners page and you're going to enter details for anyone who owns or controls at least 25% of the LLC or has substantial control over the company. Each beneficial owner must provide full name, date of birth, residential address, ID document number, issuing jurisdiction, photo ID upload, and if you're the sole owner and manager, you're the beneficial owner. Once all sections are complete, review your entries carefully and click Submit to file your BOI report. You'll receive a FinCEN confirmation number as proof of filing. You only need to refile if your ownership or business info changes, like adding a new partner or changing your address. And if you're still in process of starting your business, don't forget Bizee helps you create your LLC for free and their compliance dashboard will remind you to file your BOI report on time. They also include a free registered agent service for the first year and offer EIN filing help even if you're outside the US. So click the link in the description to start your LLC with Bizee and stay 100% compliant. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.